Welcome to Fortis Residences, an extraordinary high-rise building standing tall with up to 37 floors, located along the bustling Chino Rosas Avenue in the heart of Makati City. With an impressive 68% of its area dedicated to open spaces, Fortis Residences offers a perfect balance of urban living and greenery. Residents of Fortis Residences will enjoy a wide array of amenities tailored to enhance their lifestyle, from rejuvenating lap pools to recreational facilities like fitness gym, game area, and basketball court. There's something here for everyone to enjoy. Now let's explore the model 2-bedroom unit, offering a spacious 91 square meter of meticulously designed space. The contract price of units at Fortis Residences starts at 18 million pesos for 72.90 square meter of living space, offering exceptional value for luxury living in the heart of Makati City. Take advantage of our special promo payment terms, available for limited time only. Choose from 5 flexible payment options designed to suit your financial preferences and enjoy exclusive discounts. Option 1. A 5% spot cash, 25% over down payment period, and receive a 3% special discount. Option 2. A 30% over down payment period and receive a 1.5 special discount. Option 3. 5% in 6 months, 25% over down payment period, and receive a 1% discount. Option 4, a 5% spot, 15% over down payment period, and receive a 1% special discount. And option 5, a 20% over down payment period, and receive a 0.5 special discount. Balance can be enrolled through bank financing, in-house financing, or cash. Fortis Residences is set for ready for occupancy by December 2027, ensuring that your dream home will be ready for you to move in. Don't miss out this opportunity to own a piece of luxury at Fortis Residences. Contact me now. My name is Jocel Ann A, Costillas, DMCI Homes in-house property consultant.